My name is David Krivda. I am originally from Youngstown, Ohio. I currently live in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This is my 1986 Dodge Ram 150 Custom. I've had it for just over a year now. And I've always wanted to be a van owner ever since I was a little kid. And it turns out over the past couple of years, I started DJing a lot of events like this, where there were vans, or where there were bikes, and a lot of my friends were involved in that. And I decided to get one. And a buddy of mine helped me track this one down in Ohio. And I was interested, and I actually, my parents still live there, and I had my dad go and take a look at it. And he took it to a mechanic, had the mechanic take a look at it. It all turned out clean, so jumped on a bus, jumped on a train, railways and trailways to get to Ohio to bring this machine home, which I did. And that was last April, and since that, this is Jen. We've taken a trip to the Florida Keys and back in it. I've gone back to Ohio to visit the folks a couple of times, done some camping trips. I've done this event twice, and couldn't be happier. It's a true highway star, and its name is the Silver Bullet van. It's got a 318 V8 engine in it. So as you can see, it's a lounge van. It's got the shag carpeting interior. It's got the swivel chairs. I really like the detail where they even did the carpeting at the bases of the chairs. It's got the bed in the back, stereo system, and it was actually, this is all exactly as I bought it, and this is exactly how the gentleman in Ohio had it customized back in '86, and it's been sitting in his garage. And it sat in his garage until I bought it, and he and his wife took it to Florida every summer. And as far as I know, that's the only use that it ever got. And the condition of it kind of proves that. It's got about 138,000 miles on it.
What kind of plans you have?
Just keep doing this.
Yeah. You're going to come to some truck-ins now, some of our van events?
I think I might do that.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we'll keep you posted if this happens.
Please do, please do. Yeah, and I really like the way that this is done with the side windows. That's not something that I've seen done on a van before. I mean, I'm sure it's been done, but haven't seen it done quite like that.
You got the full flare set on it.
Full flare set. It's got the rally wheels.
Running boards.
Running boards, full running boards. A couple of dents in it, a couple of dings, but that's all right. Unfortunately, I don't think it's completely the original paint job. This seems to be more recent. I believe the door was more recent. I've seen evidence of some fiberglass bonding work under the fender here, but other than that, it's tight, and that 318 is an absolute workhorse. My name is David Krivda. I'm originally from Youngstown, Ohio, currently living in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I'm a member of the Grim Creepers Van Club.